Day 2 of the quarantine. We're here. Yesterday, we got the car up. We did the rear fenders. And I stopped there because I broke quarantine and left the house to pick up these two bad boys. Some NRG bucket seats. I got the pair for $200. They still have the plastics on the back and everything, so I wasn't planning on getting NRG seats. However, I couldn't let that go. You know, 2 for the price of 1. This is a budget build. Quickest way to get out there on the track, but still maintain quality. You know what I mean? So we got those. I don't know if I'm gonna put the brackets from the stock brackets on. I don't know if they'll fit. Maybe we'll do that later on because I still need harnesses and a harness bar. Number 2, my boy Ely's coming over today. He's been quarantined at his house. I've been quarantined at my house, except for leaving for the seats. But I think that was important. Ely's coming over. He's gonna help me with some of the fluid stuff. Just the miscellaneous stuff we still need to get done. Ely just got here. The first thing we're doing is spark plugs. Easiest. I'm gapping them right now, and he's taking them out and putting them in. So we got a nice little process there. Getting sparked up. Look at that! Look at that! We definitely needed new ones.
I love the solid motor mounts.
Dude, yeah. They're rough. I need to check, while we have it up in the air, I need to just take them and check them. Yeah, because they rattle, boy.
Oh yeah, they might be loose. Where's the Jaeger bombs?
Jaeger bombs.
Did you always have that shift knob?
Yeah.
It looks badass with the gauges.
Dude, it fucking burns your hand if it's in the hot sun.
I'm sure.
It'll fry your hand.
Black filter looks good in there. Dude, it's gonna vibrate so much less.
Yeah,
with those motor mounts tightened down. Holy shit.
Hey.
It's okay. Good dog.
Alright, so we did the spark plugs. We did the oil change. We're moving on to do the transmission fluid. And to do that, we gotta drain this bolt here. And to fill it is a bolt that's on his side. It's more like a male piece. How this is a female. However, it's stripped just like everything else in this car. It's ruined by the people that previously had it, but that's what a 240. That's what comes with a 240.
Yep, 240 life, baby.
We also had to tighten the motor mounts. Those were loose. And our little boots on both sides are shredded. So found out we got to get some new ones of those. And the outer tie rods we got to replace as well. I'm about to fill the transmission up with fluid using this handy dandy pump. And we just adjusted the front coilover. If you could see, the dark area is how far we pushed it up. You need to loosen the bottom one and then tighten the top one to raise it up. And then we brought the bottom one back up to tighten up with that. So while I'm changing out the transmission fluid, Ely is putting air in the drift spares. So we have air in them, see if they hold. And maybe we'll throw those on, see fitment slash some little skids. I don't know. I'm pumping this fluid into the transmission. So as we're pulling up to the spot, I wanted to show Ely.
Turns out it's not a good spot.
They see us hating,
man,
debating. Popo over there.
It's probably fucking for all these semi-trucks delivering shit.
Yeah, oh, WWE. This is where they're shopping. Oh, look at that.
What the heck?
I'm just gonna send it.
Just gonna send it.
All right, day 2. We did the coilover adjustment is done. The fluids for the oil and transmission are done. The spark plugs are done. We still need to do the diff fluid and swap that on. And then we found a couple things. First off, wheel bearing on the passenger side in the rear is messed up. It's nice and shaky back here. So we need to do that. Then we also need our outer tie rods for both fronts. They're kind of shot, so we need to do that. And then we also need the tie rod boot covers on both sides. They are shredded, so we need to get those. More work to do, but it's all good. Thank you so much, Ely, for helping me out today.
Anytime.
Got a little skid. I wish that cop wasn't there.
I know.
But it's all good. Next time. That's right.
Next time.
Until next time, drip and drift. Quarantine yourselves. We out this bitch. Later.